What is the age limit to get the software job? Is there any age limit to enter into the software field? So number of mails and messages is coming from our well viewers and subscribers as well. So I'm going to clear all your doubts in this session. So watch till the end of the video. Then you can understand, is there any age limit is there to get the software job? So before moving to the main topic, if you have visited our YouTube channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also don't forget to forward or to share to your friends as well, because I used to upload a great content video every day. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's start our topic. What is the age limit to get the software job in IT field? Recently, I have received a mail like I am 45 years of old. I have 10 years of sales and operation experience. Can I get job in software field or not? Is there any age limit is there to get software job or not? I have received such kind of mail. I received a lot of queries related to age limit to get the software job. So my answer is there is no age limit to get the software job in IT field. Only matter is you must be strong in the specific IT skills, whatever you are looking for job. So you can get the software job at any age. You might be 30 years of old or 35 or 45 years of old. There is no age limit. Only software companies looking into you, what are the special talent you have. This thing only will check it out in software companies. So if you are very unique IT skills, if you have, then no problem at all. You can easily get the software job. But only one thing, you have to prove your skills with your talent. Okay, so that should be you are eligible that particular role. If you gain strong knowledge on the latest IT skills, no one will stop you guys. There is no age limit at all. You can confidently start your career into the software field, no problem at all. So even career gap also no problem at all. If you have unique strong latest IT skills, only your commitment and hard work is important to get software jobs. And don't disappoint about thinking about your age limit. You have to concentrate on to improve your latest IT skills. That is the matter only. Hope this video will boost your confidence to get software job at any age. So if you feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget to forward and to share to your friends as well. So we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.